Hello everyone, welcome to the very first module of this week, and the name of this module is Setting Up a Facebook Advertising Account. By the time, I hope that you have clear idea about what Facebook marketing is and why every business person should think about Facebook marketing at least once. So in this module, we will jump directly to the practical aspect of Facebook marketing, and you will specifically learn what is Facebook Business Manager account, how to create Facebook Business Manager account, how to create Facebook ad account page, how to design Facebook page, what are various settings of Facebook page. From my personal experience, I have seen many digital marketers, those who are using their personal IDs to manage the Facebook campaigns. There is no harm in it if you are managing your own personal advertising of the Facebook. But in future, if you have to offer the services to your clients, then it will not be possible for your clients to see what actually you are doing in your Facebook advertising accounts. In 2014, the Facebook launched its Business Manager tool that gives advertiser and marketer a single interface to manage the ads, pages, permissions, and so many other things. So by using this tool, it will be easy for you to manage all Facebook campaign related information at one point. So it is must for every Facebook advertisers to learn about the Facebook Manager to manage the ad campaigns from a single point in collaboration with the clients. So in this module, I will teach you A to Z steps of managing the Business Manager account. So firstly, let us see how to set up the Business Manager account. Go to URL business.facebook.com. The link is given in the description. And this is the place where we will set Business Manager account. Believe me, this process is very simple. You only need your Facebook login ID here. I will again advise you, please create your Facebook ID first, then come to this page. Click on Create Account. Now you have to log in here by using your Facebook ID and password. Confirm from here that we are logged to our Facebook account and we are ready to go. Click on Create Account. Here we have to create a Business Manager account. Enter the required details here. Enter the name of your business. If you don't have any business, you can simply give your own name. I am giving the name of my business here. That is DMOOC. Enter your name. Give your business mail ID. You may use your personal ID as well if you don't have any business mail ID. Click Next. Add your business details. Select the country and enter other details like street, city, postal code, business phone and other things. Enter your website here. Next, give the choice whether you want to use this account to promote your own goods and services or want to provide services to others. Let it be default, that is, promote your own goods and services. Don't worry, you will still be able to provide the services to others. And submit. Congratulations, your Business Manager account is created. Confirm it from your mail ID to have the full access of your account. Don't click on Done. Open your mail account and you will find this mail under the Social tab or Primary tab if you are using the Gmail. Open it and confirm it. You will see the page something like this. Don't do anything on this page, otherwise you will lost in it. Just close it down and go back to the original page where we are in the process of creating our account. Now click on Done. Further, we have to make few important settings to set up our Business Manager account. Here, we have to add 3 things to our Business Manager account. The first one is page. then add account, and lastly the people. Let us discuss these options one by one. What these options are? The very first option is page. In Facebook advertising, it is mandatory that you must have a page to start with advertising on Facebook. I am repeating it, you must have a page to start with advertising on Facebook. You cannot advertise through your personal Facebook IDs. You have to create the page first. Now, what is a page? It is nothing. It is the profile of your business, similar to your personal profile with some differences. Just wait for a moment. I am going to discuss about Facebook pages in detail. Click on Add Page. There are 3 different ways to add the page. You can add your already existing Facebook page. You can add someone else's page, for example, your client's page. If you don't have any page, you may create your new page. If you have already designed your own page, click on Add Page. Search for the page. If your page is listed here, then select it. The job is done. I know many of you don't have your Facebook pages, so we will not use this option, just cancel it. The second option is you can seek the permission of your client to add the page here. You can use this option in the future. The third option is to create the new page from scratch. Click Create New Page. Choose the category that best describes you or your business. Are you a local business, company or organization, brand or a product, artist or a public figure, entertainment, cause or community? Let me select a local business. Give any name to the page. I am giving here Digi Service. Choose the category that best describes your business. You may change this category later on as well. Give address and other details. Click on Create Page. Nice work. You have created the page. Just stop here. We have just created the page, but we have to make an attractive and good looking page. Therefore, we have to change so many settings for this page. Let me just first complete the process of setting the business manager. Then I will show you how to modify the settings of a page to make it good looking page. Next, we have to create our ad account. From this ad account, we will manage our Facebook ad campaigns. Click on Add Account. Again, we have 3 options here. You can add your existing ad account, you can add someone else's ad account, or you can create a new ad account. We don't have any ad account previously, so we will start by creating the new ad account. Give any name to the ad account. Select the time zone. Choose the currency in which you want to deal with the Facebook. I am selecting Indian rupees. You may select accordingly. And click Next. Now the important question. Will this account be used for your own business or for your client? So, I will use this ad account for my own business. In future, if you want to offer the services to your client, you may create a new ad account by selecting the option Another Business or Client. Let it be for my business and click Create. Next, we have to add the people and set permissions. You will see your own name here. Select it and set the permission to manage the campaigns, view performance and manage account. Click Assign. Nice work. Your account is successfully added to the business manager. Just close it or add the payment methods. You may skip this button and later on you may add the payment options. Now we have the last option to add the people. So these are the people to whom you want to grant the access of your ad account. These may be your client as well. You may invite the other people to be a part of the ad account. You can assign the access as employee access or admin access. Employee access is limited whereas the admin accesses full access to the ad account. You may further read about these accesses from the link given in the description. Enter the mail ID of the concerned person to invite him or her. Let it be employee access and next. You can give the access of pages, ad accounts, catalogs or apps by selecting the various options and click invite. Invitation is sent to the concerned person. Click done. We have completed all the steps of Business Manager account setup. In future, if you want to add a page, ad account or people, go to Business Settings. From left hand tab, access various options. Like to add the people, click add. We have the same window. To add the pages, select pages. Our one page is already there that we have just created. Click on add to add new pages. See again, we have three options. To add new ad account, click on add account and select appropriate option. But there is question how many pages, how many accounts, how many ad accounts I can create. The Facebook advertising account has some limits. This is not a major concern, but you should keep these limits in mind. Here are the limits of Facebook Ad Manager. A user can manage up to 25 ad accounts. An ad account can have maximum of 25 users per account. A regular ad account can have up to 5,000 ads that are not deleted. A regular ad account can have up to 1,000 sets that are undeleted. A regular ad account can have up to 1,000 campaigns that were not deleted. And lastly, an ad account can have up to 50 ads that were not deleted per ad set. So congratulations, you have successfully set up your Business Manager account. From now onwards, we will make use of this account only to manage your Facebook advertising campaigns. As I discussed earlier, to start with any Facebook advertising campaign, we must have the Facebook page. Although in this video, we created our Facebook page, but many things are still pending to make it very attractive and professional business page. So in the next video, we will learn how to design a Facebook page from scratch by modifying various settings of this. So we need a good looking page because it represents our business and many people will visit your page. Thank you so much.